Traders, Anthony here. This is a trade idea for today, the Euro Yen. We have this balance area back down in here that I've marked up. If we see a pullback down in here, I'm looking for a possible buy opportunity. What I want to do with this video is invite you to consider this. I'm going to go out of here. We're going to go into this chart. This is a trade that I sent to VIP. A sell right here. It's now in profit. And we've already pulled our stop loss to be in the money. So this is a winning trade regardless. If the stop gets taken out, doesn't matter. If this travels on further down, it's a big payday. But what I want to do is explain how powerful these two signals here are on the 5-minute time frame. When you combine these lines that you see here with this dot, you have a pretty good setup, especially when you're trading into, this is the Frankfurt Open, through to the Asia close, this period, even slightly before. And the same applies into the New York session open. This is a counter trend trade. Notice the higher time frame indicators are green, and we actually have another trade opportunity right there. Again, on the 5-minute chart, we're looking for quick profits. So we've traded this one short and an entry here, TP1, stop loss under the dot, or into this second deviation out from the mean here. So there's a 1-to-1 risk reward. Okay, this is already a winning trade. Let me show you this. And what I mainly want to do is highlight these time frames. We've got back here, we have this Asia range, and then further on we have a grey shaded area. It's the New York range time period. And we're looking for very, very specifically, number one, this accompanied by these divergence signals here, these lines. If you're looking for what I believe to be the best trade signals available, here they are, right here. Now, the other thing that we need to be looking for is where we're trading into this time frame and it spikes into either a yellow, orange, or green, or white line. So down here we've got a yellow line. That's a daily, previous daily high or low. Slightly above it, we've got an orange line. This is a previous weekly high or low. These are institutional levels, and the market will look to react around these levels. Here we have a monthly level above here, and I've marked up this one for some reason on the higher time frame. I'll ignore that for now. The other thing we're looking for is we want to see this kind of range, okay, where we get this tight balance area. Balance area can either be horizontal or trending, it doesn't matter. But what we see is more or less an even number of buy and sell activity. And then we're looking for these moves here, fakey, shaky, fake out, shake out. This takes out stops resting above, and then ultimately see this candle here. This is a strong move south, giving us an indication that smart money has jumped in with a large pool of funds. And you see this strong sudden move, grinds up here, and then we get another similar candle. As soon as I see this, my sell zone is potentially around here. In saying that, I will tend to go in pretty well directly after this dot on the next candle right there. Start off with your stop above, higher time frame level, and once it gains a bit of momentum, pull your stop down. Quite often you'll see this continue on and we get these really nice moves. All right, this is a counter trend, and I'm trading this purely from this price action that I'm seeing. And I'm ignoring the fact, well, at least you understand that you're taking a risk. The higher time frame's bullish, indicated by the trend as we saw on the other charts and these indicators. Guys, jump on board with us and gain access to the indicators. The link is below. So what I want to do from here is we're going to go back and we're going to have a look at this type of scenario where we're trading into one of these shaded zones, and then we get the dot. And we have these divergence signals. That's a really powerful signal. And the key thing with this is a scalping strategy. So we can disregard these, although they let us know that, okay, this is counter trend, be a little bit careful. Now, can this turn around and trade north from here? Absolutely it can. It's a bullish market. All right, this could just be a pullback into liquidity, a retrace, and we're off to the races. But I'm trading this on a 5-minute time frame, and I'm looking for quick money. Now you can trade both of these signals. In any case, let's just check out what these signals look like. Oh, we'll go back. See this one. Now this is a beautiful setup. This is the Asian session open and our trading range through the Asian session. After this point, I tend to stay out. The market gets a bit boring after that, but it's a bullish market. Look what we get. And that'll fire over here in the alerts log. We get all of these opportunities. So that's our trade into the Asia open. Take it right there. That's it. There's your trade. And it trades all the way through into the New York, midnight New York, and into the London Open, Euro Yen. Here it is again, guys. And I'm looking at specifically, well, we've got a bullish market, but look at the divergence and the dot. I mean, that's a no-brainer. You take that trade. I really prefer to take, like if it's a bullish market, only take these green dots. But if I see a red dot with a strong divergence, I will tend to trade that as well. On the 5-minute time frame, this is a scalping strategy. Now, here's the thing. This back here is the reason why I prefer to stay out of it. Okay, don't take that trade. Why? Because we're looking for the opportunity within this shaded zone, and preferably on this side of the equation, right? So we don't take those. You can, but you'll find that you'll lose a couple here and there. I mean, there was a nice trade. But we're looking for this shaded zone. This is the New York zone, this grey. And you'll find that on a 3-minute chart, there would definitely have been a green dot down in here. And we've got the divergence. We've got these. So we take it it's a bullish trade. I mean, you can get a bit more specific. You can ignore the red dots in a bullish market if you want to. But here we go. Green dot within our blue range here. And you could have taken that. This one doesn't have any divergence. But the strength of this one is the fact that we have these indicators green under. This one we can see a divergence behind here, and we're looking for the opportunity within this shaded zone. Anyway, guys, back to our starting point. If you would like to get involved with scalping, 1-to-1 risk reward, we take 2/3 of our position and then we pull our stop loss down to be in the money. And in this case, slightly above this guy here. This one, we're jumping in here. See these green dots? Stop loss under, 1-to-1 risk reward, and I mean, look. So guys, jump on board and get involved with scalping a lower time frame with our amazing indicators. By the way, you can open a Forex account through TradingView. Let's just go out of paper trading here for a minute. Pepperstone, FXCM, Oanda, 8cap, here they all are. You could open an account with any of these brokers and trade using our indicators. Pepperstone have a good deal. It's a refer a friend program. People that I've referred have already been paid, and you could receive up to $5,000. So make sure you click the link below and check that out. Okay, guys, with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and look forward to hearing from you.